Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free video audit of the website The Universal Crib. I'm on homepage, and I like that you've got very enticing pop-up saying to subscribe to get 20% off with customized text, which is really good. You've got free worldwide delivery info as well, linked to shipping policy, perfect. All the key information is in the top menu. I can see that you're located in Singapore. You've got logo here. You've got up-to-date COVID-19 update information, uh, which is great. Apart from putting that you are offering discount and so on, it would be much better for your conversion rate to actually inform what you are offering, because from what I see, I know that it's house related from Universal Crib. I can see some brushes, but would be much better to put information what you're offering. For example, instead of this tagline, you can put um, I don't know, acrylic paint brushes, artistic brushes, which will be much better for your conversion rate, because people will be assured right away what they can find on your website. At the moment, they just see that it's 20% off, but it's not as enticing if they knew what you're selling in the first place. Okay, so canvas prints collection. I understand that you're selling canvas. So this is a little bit clearer. This should be at the top, because it's much more user oriented, so people can right away tell that you're selling canvas. Okay, canvas prints, featured products, which is great. Fresh prints for your interiors is really good with it with add to call to action button, link to your collection, unique on your own. Featured collections. Okay, what else? Free shipping, best price, tax free. I mean, almost every shop offers that. So think about what can put you ahead of your competitors, because it's quite a competitive niche. So just apart from free shipping, best price, tax free, think about what really sets you apart, because people care more about what you're offering in terms of the story, in terms of branding, than just those kind of incentives that almost every shop has at the moment. Okay, I'll check your collection page and products page first, and then extra pages. So collection page has got a great layout. I would use a little bit more SEO friendly titles such as canvas and so on. So it's a little bit more descriptive than just products. The layout is better. I understand that you've got another sub collections. Okay, bears number one. I would work on the product titles. Bears number one is not as descriptive for Google. If you would put acrylic bears canvas, would be much more would give Google much more information to put you in more relevant searches. However, this title doesn't really put you in the right searches. So make sure to optimize it a little bit better. But you've got the unique product descriptions, which is great. You've got other related items or others also bought, which is also good. I'll check your shipping policy. Worldwide, okay, which is really good. Shipping duration depends on delivery location. Out and 10, 20 business days. Okay, so it's free shipping up to like 3 weeks for delivery, which is very good. You've got professional email address. I would hyperlink it to optimize further for the one-click contact as well. Refund policy. Providing reasons to refund. Okay, well, it's short and sweet, but I suppose it's enough. Okay, our story. Okay. Okay, I mean, technically it's all it's in place, which is great. For some reason the previous page had a green font, but it's not an issue. Um, I would add a blog. It's a great way to add fresh content, keep adding fresh content on a consistent basis, which Google really likes. So keep adding fresh content, keep writing about your new products, about your inspirations. People really do enjoy mm, writing or reading what's going on in a company. It kind of creates this kind of rapport that also counts towards sales. And adding fresh content is really good for SEO because Google really looks for websites or likes to promote websites that are freshly updated, that are constantly updated, and blog gives you this opportunity to keep adding fresh content as well. Remember to open your social media in new tabs as well, so those links in the footer, because when people click at the moment, when people click on Facebook and Instagram, your website disappears from the browser. It means that you send them to social media and they completely forget about shopping with you. So remember to open these external links in new tabs so you don't lose the valuable traffic. I hope you found this critique useful. I hope you found this critique useful. If you did, please click like underneath this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and remember to leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The details are in the email. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.